Hey y'all, it's your girl Lakeisha Monique of Sublimate Blanks. Come back at you with a very short video. I am going to press a sublimation patch. I'm going to sublimate it. That's what I'm going to do. So I printed out my image. These were actually transparent, but I wanted some of that orange background. This is my new logo. I've had it for a while. I haven't put it on anything as of yet. You know, I made some rhinestones out of it and everything. I did post that in my group a while back, but I will do that again. Here is one of the sublimation patches. Looks like that on the back. Not sure what material that is. It's like a suede. Anyway, that's what it looks like. This material looks like, let me see. It's a matte kind of finish, almost like the journals that we get. This is the adhesive background. You can see the little sheen. So you're gonna press that on after you sublimate, and I will do that. And now I don't know what side it's on. Anyway, so like I said, I already cut one out. So I'm going to tape it down on there. I made this one, but I made it too big. And then I just redid it, resized it down to 3 inches by 3 inches. Because I wanted to make sure I had that outline of the circle to go on there. All right, so now I'm going to put you on my stand real quick. All right, so bear with me. Hold on. I still don't know how to turn this thing around. I'm going to try and figure that out. Because it should turn around with no problem, but for whatever reason. Nope, don't want the flash. Anyway. Oh, goodness gracious. Don't mind all this stuff I got to get rid of. That's all my stuff that came out of storage. It's crazy. It's a lot. Had it in storage for about 6 years. And had to go to Virginia to pick it up. So, I'm just going to leave you like that for right now. I'm just going to take down this image real quick. Ouch. Ow. Keep hearing me say ow, right? Got to be careful with these tape dispensers. They are very sharp. All right. Well, like I said, I'm just taping it down. I just taped it on there. Now remember, when you sublimate, you want to make sure that your sublimation paper and image is on the top for the platen. Just put it down, cover it up. Nope, not enough pressure. And I have it set to 385 for 40 seconds. I do go between 40 and 45 seconds for certain things. Now, this is my first time sublimating a patch. Okay? So, hopefully it'll come out okay. And I am going to list them on the website. I haven't done that yet. I've just been so busy. I've been cutting out templates for my rhinestones. I've been doing a lot of that. I finally got a blade, the CB09 from the rhinestone world. Because my auto blade, I'm taking this up, I'm going to turn you around. my auto blade. Hold on. Turn it around to the table. Hold on. I'm trying to make it see I have so much stuff. All right. So yeah, my auto blade, it was cutting, then it wasn't cutting, and it was just a big mess. I'm just going to peel this off. It's kind of hot. Ooh, that came out pretty. Now I'm going to take the tape off. And it's still pretty light, but like I said, it's a matte finish. But it came out exactly as I hoped it would. And I'm not sure what I'm going to put it on as of yet. You can see from the tape in the back, but that's okay because that's where the adhesive is going to go. And now I just have to, hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to get some light so I can see. Trying to figure out what side. I don't want to put it on the wrong side. And I think it may be too big for my hat, so. But I'm pretty sure, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fold this butcher paper. Now, it don't look like no adhesive on this side. It just looks like this side, so I'm going to put that on. And I'm just going to press it down real quick. Not long. Actually, I'm not even going to, I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds. Just to get that heat on there. Okay. Let me show you. Ooh. And it's hot. Hold on. So I did put it on there. So I believe we can just peel it. I can't peel it. It's hot. Where's my weeding tool? Oh no. Where's my weeding tool? Oh, Jesus. All right. I don't know where my weeding tool is. So I'll use my tweezers, see if I can pull that up a little bit. Okay. So yeah, and when you're ready to put it on your hat or a jacket or anything like that, the adhesive is adhesive on both sides. So when you peel it up, you just stick it there and then you heat press it or hat press it, however you want to do it, and it shall stick. Hold on. 1 second. I just want to get on that. So here's a hat. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to put anything on here. But when you're ready, you just put your patch however you want it. And this is just on the hat. Like I said, remember it's a matte finish. And you put it on your hat press. Make sure you tape it, you know. And I would, when you do it, I would actually cover this with some, maybe a little piece of butcher paper just to cover that and put it on your hat. So remember, this is sublimation. So when you put on your hat press, you want to protect that as well. All right, always protect your equipment. But like I said, this is my new logo. It's going on everything. So I will have some new merch coming and everything. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all that the patches are going on the website, and I am going to see if I can actually get some more that has a glossy finish. I thought these were glossy, but they're not. But they're still very, very pretty. Don't know how good you can see that. All right. So thank y'all once again for joining me and showing you how to sublimate a patch, put the adhesive backing on. I'm sorry I wasn't ready to do a hat yet. Maybe in my next video, I will show you how to put the patch on a hat. All right. But I want to thank y'all. Thank you to all my subscribers, new subscribers, past subscribers, everybody that's just joining, asking questions about this. And thank you for all the congratulations on my new Mighty Hoop. I cannot wait to get that started. I have a lot to do with that machine over there. I'm having an issue with it, but I have the part for it, so I will get that done. But thank you so much. And this is your girl, Lakeisha Monique of Embroidery Blanks. Check out the website later on today. Everything should be listed. And I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.